Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to see a review of Volini Pain Relief Spray. No matter what type of muscular pain you get, you will surely be looking for quick relief. Some people cannot bear the pain, so it is advisable to keep pain relief oils, sprays at your home, especially in your first aid kit. Volini is the most popular name when it comes to ointment for muscular pains, sprains, and more. Relief spray is effective in strains, sprains, muscular stress, cramps, knee pain, back itches, and even in shoulder pain. This spray easily gets absorbed into your skin and gives a long-lasting relief in the affected area. It is considered more effective than the regular pain relief spray because its 360-degree action mechanism, as they have already mentioned, and which helps in reducing your pain faster. Cost of this product is Rs 130 and its manufacturing date is September 2019 and its expiry date is August 2021. Content of this product is 57 ml. This product is manufactured in India by Sun Pharmaceuticals. Now, how to use this product? You have to shake well before each use and spray the content on affected area from 5 to 8 centimeters distance. You can't spray this content on open wounds, and this spray is very easy to carry and convenient to use. If you want to purchase this spray, then it will be available on any medical store nearby to you, or even you can purchase it online. I have given the purchase link in the description box below. This was the quick and short review of Volini Pain Relief Spray. If you have this spray in your first aid kit, then do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.